everyone, my name's Gabby and I'm the host here at the Kia Hyundai channel. Today's a very, very special day because it marks the arrival of our very first redesigned Hyundai Palisade. And when I say it just arrived, I truly mean it. The inside of this vehicle is completely wrapped in plastic still, so I've got a lot of stickers to peel and a lot of time to spend on the interior. Now what I want to do on this channel is create a playlist dedicated to all things redesigned Palisade. I'm calling it the Palisade playlist. Creative, I know. Now because this channel strives so much on community, we really want to know what you guys would like to see. So if it's a specific trim level, a specific color, the hybrid versus the gas, you name it, tell us in the comments down below and I will film a video talking about it and explaining it. Now, disclaimer, we are a dealership, so the videos we have available to film strongly rely on what inventory we have at our Hyundai store. So I can't film everything all at once, but over time, as we get more and more cars coming in, we will cover every single trim level, every single color, and every single topic. Let us know again in the comments what you'd like to see, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It is free to do so, and it really helps out the channel. See you guys in our future Palisade videos. Bye-bye!